Valvetronic Designs, and I'm so grateful to be saying this. I've gotten so much interest and so much excitement about the MotoGP M2 and of course our valve system for this F87 chassis car. Now, a customer of ours who's located out in California wanted to get some in-the-car footage with a decibel meter of how the car sounds on the inside. So I thought I'd bring you guys along, and I have a decibel meter here in the car, and I'll show you what it sounds like on the inside and get some clips. So I already need to issue an apology because I thought I had the camera recording, did a cold start, got some clips of the decibel meter running, and of course I didn't have the camera running, so we'll try again. Valves are closed. Grab our controller here. People don't hate us. Let's go for a ride. I'll be showing the decibel meter to the camera at certain points along the video, just so you guys have a rough estimation of how loud the car is. Obviously this doesn't provide the best measure. It's best obviously to be in person, but hopefully if you look on YouTube and find some other videos of cars that you are familiar with the sound with, I know Fabsby does a nice job with this. They'll hold decibel meters to other cars, and you can hear what other cars sound like in regards to a numeric measure of how loud the car is. So this will hopefully help. And to all those people who are thinking about an M2 exhaust, this is pretty much as loud as it gets. When the valves are open, there is no restriction, and the split from the single 3-inch out of the downpipe into 2.5, you get that acceleration of flow throughout the system. So that helps with sound and helps with performance. But we'll go for a ride now. Valves open and valves closed in the car. I'll shut up and you guys can hear what it sounds like on the inside. Alright, so while we wait for the oil temps to warm up, my P3 gauge here. Perfect mod for these cars. I don't know why they don't have an oil temp gauge, but don't ask. Here is what it sounds like. We're doing 45 miles an hour. You will hear some whistle from the light bar. You do get some noise obviously with that modification, but I'm going to shut up and I'll show you the value. So even in acceleration, the car is incredibly docile. It's much quieter in here than it is with the stock exhaust, even on stock downpipes. That's one of the reasons why we love this system and we love engineering this type of flexibility, is because if you want it to be quiet, have it be really quiet. If you're going to do your track days or whatever, you're going to go out to a track like Laguna Seca that has very strict noise requirements, and stock GT3s will fail. You need something that's very quiet, and this will help you do that. It's about 7 to 8 decibels quieter than stock, even on startup, which is great. So I'll go full throttle here. Temps are almost good. And you can read the value. That was full throttle. And in the cabin it's very docile. All you hear is mostly intake noise, which is nice. switch it into valves open, I'm going to use the mirror. Like all of our systems, you can control the exhaust valves via the mirror. So now you can hear there's a lot more sound and excitement coming through the cabin. Trying to do my best to hold the decibel meter up in an acceleration run here so you guys can get a rough estimate. Windows are up, light bar is going to whistle a little bit. I apologize for that. Come on, man, we're compromising. System's so rowdy, I love it. Pretty fruity inside here in the car, even with active sound on. That's another thing too, you will get, whoop, Ambalam. You guys can come with me for the rest of this journey. I love these roads here late at night. Stick my phone up with Waze to warn me of any impending danger. Police danger. We're also gonna, that was traction mode, just because I didn't want to rev match myself, but I'm gonna go DSC off. Get the manual heel tilling and rev matching going. Actually, no, we'll rock windows down for a little bit. And we're stuck at this light, of course. Oh, here, I'll give you little windows down, too. like this kind of footage, or format, I should say, of videos. I certainly do. I think they're marginally entertaining, especially during these strange times that we're experiencing. But if you guys want to see some more of this, leave it in the comments. I usually go out for drives like this. This car is very soothing to drive, and the fact that it's a lot of fun. Just in the basis of people's reactions, especially with the light bar and the GTS wing, the wheels and everything, people go crazy with it, which is great. But also dynamically, it's such a fun little car. So I'll keep doing videos like this, talking about exhaust and stuff like that, and hopefully bringing you guys to enjoy the fun as much as I do. Take care, like, comment, subscribe, all that good vlogger stuff. Do that, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.